Fellas, if you're drinking coffee and energy drinks every day, your prostate might be under attack. Now, it's not widely known or talked about, but caffeine is one of the most acidic and inflammatory substances you can put in your body legally. And guess what? Your prostate does not love it at all. I personally used to drink a large cup of coffee in the morning, every morning. And now I drink a small cup on Saturday or Sunday, just, for a little treat. And when you drink less, you only need a little bit. So anyway, let's get into it, shall we? Caffeine increases cortisol. That's the stress hormone. We all know about that, right? And this leads to prostate inflammation. It's a diuretic, so you're going to use the bathroom more, urinate or something else, number 2. And that's dehydrating your body and irritating your bladder. Worst of all, too much caffeine may actually boost DHT levels, which can worsen prostate enlargement. Some people drink coffee throughout the day. Just imagine what that must be like, constantly inflaming your body. So the FDA recommends a maximum of 400 milligrams of caffeine per day. That's about 4 small coffee cups. However, if you're concerned about your prostate, it's best to stay under 200 milligrams per day, which is 1 small coffee has 95 milligrams, 8 ounces. 1 energy drink has about 150 milligrams, depending on the brand. 2 cups of green tea have about 50 milligrams apiece, so it's 100 milligrams. So, and if you already have BPH or prostatitis or frequent urination, consider going even lower or cutting it out entirely to see if your symptoms improve. You're going to go through the little headache thing, for a day or 2, but stick it out. So, but what's the solution if you can't give up coffee? Well, I'm going to give you 2 prostate-friendly alternatives that can still give you that little boost of energy. It's fake energy, but anyway. You have something called matcha green tea. It has a little caffeine and it's packed with EGCG. That's an antioxidant. And that does reduce prostate inflammation and it supports healthy testosterone levels. That's one alternative. Then you have something called cordyceps mushroom coffee. No acidity at all, no jitters. Actually helps to boost energy and stamina and prostate function while supporting your adrenal health. And why do these coffee alternatives work? Well, matcha green tea contains L-theanine, which reduces stress and inflammation, and still giving you a smooth, non-jittery energy boost. Cordyceps mushroom coffee is a caffeine-free alternative that naturally boosts energy, your endurance and prostate function while protecting against inflammation. Another note to consider, in the cultures where people live longer, they tend to drink more tea and less coffee. Let's get healthy.